Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I will show you how to play Monopoly Go with friends. So let's start. Open up Monopoly app on your device, and at the bottom right corner, tap on the option that says Friends. So here you have three options. You have Contacts, Facebook, and Invite. When you tap on Contacts, it is going to ask you to add your contacts from your device. So let's tap on Add Contacts. Now from here, add your mobile number and tap on Continue. Enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your mobile device and tap on Submit. Now tap on Add Friends and tap on OK. So here we can see that none of my contacts are playing Monopoly Go. So the next option is Facebook. So tap on Facebook and tap on Confirm, and you need to log into your Facebook account. So just tap on Continue as yourself. And here you can see your Facebook friends who are also playing Monopoly Go. You can invite them by tapping on Invite and tap on Facebook Invite. You can also invite people to play with you manually by tapping on the orange invite button, copy the link, and send it to your friends. So once your friends accepted your invitation, you can play with them on Monopoly Go. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.